In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Axure RP. Whether you're creating a new prototype or working on an existing project, knowing how to link pages effectively is a crucial skill that will enhance the user flow and overall functionality of your design. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to launch Axure RP on your computer. This process is straightforward. Just open the application like you normally would with any other software. Once Axure RP is up and running, you can either start a new file, which is perfect if you're beginning a project from scratch, or open an existing file. Opening an existing file is often useful if you're revising a project or adding new features to your prototype. Now that your file is open, it's time to think about the design elements to which you want to add interactivity. Typically, you might want to use a button or another interactive widget, like a rectangle or circle, to guide users to a different page. To do this, simply select the button tool or your preferred widget from the library and drag it onto your canvas. Placing it on the canvas will allow you to manipulate its size and position according to your design needs. Once you have your widget in place, select it to bring up its properties. Look for the Interactions pane, usually located on the right-hand side of the Axure interface. This area is where you can set up different types of interactions for your selected widgets. You'll notice that Axure offers various options for interactions, but to link pages, you'll specifically want to focus on linking actions. Next, you'll need to click the Open Link button if it's readily available. Sometimes this option might not be immediately visible, so alternatively, you can click New Interaction. Here, you'll want to choose the click or tap event from the drop-down menu. This event tells Axure that you wish to trigger an interaction when the user clicks or taps on your widget. After selecting Click or Tap, from the subsequent options, choose Open Link. A dialog box will then appear, displaying a list of all the pages in your current project. This list allows you to specify which page you want the widget to link to, giving you full control over navigation. Carefully select your desired target page from this list. This choice will determine where users will be directed when they engage with your interactive widget. Finally, it's important to confirm and apply the link. Do this by clicking OK in the dialog box. This action locks in your settings and ensures that the widget will now direct users to the selected page. By following these steps, you'll successfully integrate seamless navigation into your Axure RP prototype. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to linking pages in Axure RP. With practice, these steps become second nature, helping you create more dynamic and user-friendly prototypes. Thank you for watching, and happy prototyping.